Hi everyone, this video will show you how to agree to an endorsement in eReinsure. First, you'll want to navigate to the endorsement itself. If you are already in the app and the endorsement was recently sent, you'll find it on your home page with the status of in progress waiting on reinsurer. More than likely, you'll link into the endorsement through an email notification like the one shown here. When you click on the link and enter your login information, it will take you to the endorsement detail. Take a moment to review the details of the endorsement itself to ensure that you are in agreement. When you're ready to move forward, click the Agree button at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up box will ask if you are sure and want to agree to the endorsement. When you click OK, you will be returned to your home page with a note letting you know that you have agreed to the endorsement, and it will no longer then appear in the endorsement section of your home page, but it will continue to live with the placement in the filing cabinet. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to eReinsure customer support and we will be happy to help out.